Say again.
Hi, in this video, we will be seeing how we can use Avaz to interact with Alexa. This is something we are trying out. So we created a folder called Alexa and zoom in. Alexa. So we have certain things, skills that Alexa has, and we have Alexa here, of course, with the, so we want to ask the time, so the person can just say, Alexa, what is the time?
It's 12:26 p.m.
So the temperature. Alexa, what is the temperature today?
Right now, in Kuala Tamil Nadu, it's 26 degrees Celsius.
Similarly, the date. Alexa, what is the date?
Today is Thursday, June 3rd.
So, suppose we want to play some favorite music. These are my son's favorites. So, I'm going to ask Alexa to play one of them. Alexa, play Jagjit Singh Bhajans.
The playlist Krishna Bhajans by Jagjit Singh on Amazon Music.
So, if I want Alexa to increase the volume, Alexa, increase volume. I want Alexa to stop. Alexa, stop. So it stopped. So we want them to play again. Alexa, continue. So I want the volume to be reduced. Alexa, volume down. So I want it further down. I just have to say it one more time. Alexa, volume down. Alexa, stop. Now I want to play a different music. Alexa, play Carnatic songs by Bombay Jayashree.
Carnatic songs by Bombay Jayashree on Amazon Music.
So, Alexa, stop. So you can see how this can be, very easy for a person who is not very verbal also to use. I'm going to just show one more thing. Um, Alexa, show me Hakka noodles recipe. Well, that didn't work that well. Alexa, show me chocolate cake recipe.
Welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Smart Recipes. Discover great recipes from India's favorite chef and cook with him, step by step. Just ask to open Sanjeev Kapoor recipes next time. Here are some recipes I found for you.
So suppose we select this. person can read the recipe if required. And if we want them to say the steps, we can say,
Alexa, continue.
Are you ready to start cooking?
Yes.
To make cooking with me easier, I can speak faster, slower, or even simplify some of these recipe steps. All you have to do is ask. Let's get started with the first step. Take butter in a large mixing bowl. Add the icing
so
sugar
if
into
it's
the
too
bowl.
fast, I can
Beat
say,
well with an electric hand beater.
Alexa,
Add
speak slower.
Okay, I'll give you simpler steps. Take butter in a large mixing bowl. Add the icing sugar into the bowl.
Alexa, stop.
so you can see
Don't
how
forget to rate us on Alexa's Skills Store. Come back soon.
So you can see how various information we can get through Alexa, of course, but here we're using an ASC Avaz to interact with Alexa. This will help a non-verbal person also use Alexa. Thank you very much.